Welcome to this video. My name is Peter and I want to show you how you can become a Web3 developer when you follow 3 steps. Why I'm telling you this and who am I? My name is Peter, as I said. I'm a Web3 and blockchain developer. I wrote my first smart contract back then in 2017. I studied computer science at Vienna University of Technology, and since then I'm an Web3 and blockchain enthusiast. You can find more about myself when you follow link3/PHO, which are my first letters of my name. What are the 3 steps now? So the first step is really to learn Web 2. You need to learn Web 2, you need to learn front-end development because that's the way we interface with applications. So learn, for example, React or Angular, so any front-end framework. Learn back-end development as well, because most of the times services are not completely switched to Web 3 at any time. So we have something maybe called Web 2.5 or something. So we have backend and centralized services as well at the moment. So learn a backend framework, for example, Node.js or Django. Learn databases, because everything is not possible doing in blockchain, or also makes sense to do in blockchain. So we will need databases as well. So learn SQL and learn NoSQL, for example, and also learn general stuff about software development. So you will need to design software, you need to architecture software, you need to make use of design patterns that are common in software development. So really get sure that you learn Web 2 fundamentals first before you move on into the Web 3 part. The second step is learn blockchain fundamentals. So I tell you that you really need a basic and a fundamental understanding of how blockchains are working. So you need to understand how the core concepts of a blockchain are and how they are working. You need to understand how peer-to-peer networks are functioning, how they are working, what the problems can be. You need to understand cryptography, because it's a crucial part in blockchains. You need to understand the possibilities of blockchain, so what you can do. And you also need to really know how and what the limitations are. So what is not doable and where are the downsides of this technology. So you make really sure to understand and have everything in place for blockchain fundamentals before you move on to the third step, which is learning Ethereum and its ecosystem. That's really my recommendation, to learn Ethereum and this ecosystem and not anything else, because it has the greatest and widest adoption and the greatest learning material and resources. So learn here Ethereum, the core concepts of it, learn the EVM, learn Solidity, which is a programming language, learn scaling solutions like Polygon, learn tools like Hardhat and Ethos.js. You need those to set up projects and to interface with the blockchain. And you also need to learn wallets like MetaMask. So how they are working, how they can be integrated, what can be done, what cannot be done. So it's really crucial to understand everything in great detail. So when you, after these 3 steps, congratulations, you are now a Web3 developer. So you're asking yourself maybe, okay, cool, what's next? Never stop learning. The space is evolving so damn fast that there are a lot of tools and techniques coming out every day almost. And also from a scientific background, there are a lot of white papers published about cool things that somehow break up limitations. But of course, everything has 2 sides. So there are new limitations as well. And you really need to keep pace with this space to not get old in this fashion. So really make sure to never stop learning. So this was the 3 steps you need to follow when you want to become a Web3 developer, and I'll see you on the other side.